Here come two boys all running. Look at them go. Oh my goodness. Like Dozer's getting tired. He's like, holy crap, I can't get my legs up over this stuff. Yeah, boys. Come on, you guys will get it trampled down, then you guys can do your thing. Yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Dozer, are you tired? Oh. Man, I hope we don't get much more. We ain't gonna be able to get these guys out here. They're gonna be like, screw that, I'm building a tunnel. Like somebody's looking at throwing a snowball. So these guys are having a good day out here. These guys are nuts, playing out in the field. Like, holy crap, it's deep out here. Hi buddy, hi Diesel, hi baby. What you doing, huh? Here, let Dad close that up a little bit. Dozer, Dozer, Dozer. Oh. The wind's blowing. That's the only downfall of how cold it is out here, but somebody getting ready to throw another snowball. Even though she throws like a wimp. She can't ever hit us. But the dogs like eating the snow anyway, so they'll protect Dad. They'll oh, maybe not. They're just gonna say screw it, let's go. All right, you guys have a great day. Like, share, subscribe if you will, and support the channel. Oh, that was cold. I can't believe you just whipped that snowball at me from behind me. That was rude. Anyway, we will see you guys next time. All right, I can't get my phone to